Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me is right over here. And when you find it, all you need to do is hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings where we can quickly customize it. Now I'm going to go over each option really quickly. So we have behavior, sound and vibration, and notifications. So in here we can choose what kind of sounds can be made, notifications, what kind of notifications can show up during the Do Not Disturb mode, then exceptions for calls and messages, so you can set who can call you or message you during the Do Not Disturb mode. In calls there's a nifty option for allow repeated callers, which if selected, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you, no matter what the calls option is selected to. So it could be no one, but still if they meet the checkmark requirement, they will be able to call you. And then below that we have schedule, so we can set up a schedule so that Do Not Disturb mode turns on and off automatically on each given day of the week and given time. And outside of that, we also can enable it manually by simply tapping on the toggle like so to turn it on, and then tapping on it again to turn it off. So that is how you'd set it up, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.